Hi, my name is Shannon Smith. I'd like to give you my thoughts on the VitalSleep mouthguard. I've been a terrible snorer all of my life. In college, my roommates would throw towels and books and socks at me to try to keep me from snoring, which didn't help, of course. And I was always tired because you don't get enough REM sleep. In 2000, I got a radical uvulopalatoplasty surgery to try to help with my sleep apnea, which basically cuts about a half an inch of your soft palate off to get your airspace a little bigger. It didn't help. In 2020, I bought a CPAP machine, kind of giving up on the whole thing, which helped a little bit, but I hated having a machine blowing air into my face all night, even though it was quiet. It's just uncomfortable to have a mask on your head all night. So I kept looking, saw the VitalSleep mouthguard, bought it. I was offered a second one at the same time, which I bought, and I loved it. It changed my life. I have not used my CPAP machine in, oh boy, at least a year. I've got it for sale. I've recommended the VitalSleep mouthguard to several people, and they have loved it as well. The customer service has been awesome. I had a small problem with one of my mouthguards. I sent them an email. I got a replacement back within a couple days. I cannot recommend it highly enough to you. My wife doesn't have to wear earplugs anymore. She can sleep quietly. I sleep quietly. I wake up in the morning feeling much better, refreshed, like I got a good night's sleep because I did. And I would recommend it to anybody and everybody. If you are a snorer, sleep apnea, male, female, whatever you are, I would recommend it. It is life-changing. I know that sounds strong and drastic, but is it really true? It is very true. I put it in, I go to sleep at night, I wake up in the morning, and that's it. There's no machine. I don't have to put water in my, CPAP machine every night or do any of those things. Every couple of days, I take my mouth guard and I brush it with my toothbrush and a little toothpaste, and it's fresh and clean. It's adjustable. You will love it. I promise you. I recommend it to anybody and everybody. Thank you.